Chini. Thinking about cooking, Bunny? No, Chini, we are not cooking today. Why, Bunny? Due to coronavirus, India is locked down for 21 days. Okay, Bunny. Coronavirus killed many people in other countries. Yeah, it's spreading very fast, Bunny. So that no one should come out of house, Chini. Then, what's about daily needs, Bunny? Only one person should go and bring the needs. Okay, Bunny. Bunny, tell me the precautions to take. All should maintain social distance. Use hands with soap or sanitizer. Avoid touching eyes, nose and mouth. Cover cough and sneeze with tissue. Wear face mask and hand gloves while going outside. Finally, stay at home for 21 days. A message on coronavirus by Mini Cooking Bunny and Chini. Please subscribe for new videos.